So the second card I pulled out was Ace of Swords. Sorry, so Ace of Swords. So Ace of Swords basically is so Ace is said to be the very beginning, like the I like the word culmination, but let's not use that for now. It's like the very inception, let's say, of anything. So right now we're in the realm of swords, which is generally seen to be the more mental realm, air. So realm of air, perhaps. So one could maybe say, swords can be very deadly. A thought, a word can be very, very, very problematic in the mind of, perhaps one could say, an inexperienced wielder. So the Ace of Swords, it's like the potential. And if at the very beginning, remember Ace is like one, if at the very beginning the thought or the idea is awry, is already like ill-intentional, it's not stable, or it doesn't have it doesn't have support, in a sense that it's been like recognized as something that can be, let's just say, good or useful for the wielder or the person who has it or who's on that journey. Then what can happen is, by the time you get to the Nine of Swords, the whole plan, the whole idea could be completely just. So the question is, what's happening right now? How clear, I kind of imagine there's two things I imagine. I imagine the sword that comes out of the lake. It's a very kind of drawn out, slow effect, almost like it doesn't break the surface of the water. So that is kind of a possibility. But with Ace of Swords, it's like, it is like a baby. It's like something very, very sensitive, but very, very, almost like it knows itself. It's like self-assured. So we could maybe leave it there, but I think in terms of like mind and mental, it's like how certain and I think because swords are very like one directional, it's very like a direction, like it's very intentional in its directional, in its directedness. It's like when there is a certain focus in one direction, then there is an understanding of what one is doing.